G'day viewers, how are you? Michael here, O'Donnell's Aussie Homestead. I'd like to show you around my farm. I'm moving the animals at the moment. Sometimes it comes easy, sometimes it ends up being damn hard. So let's see how we go. What are you saying? You want to come in? Look at what's this? He's excited about coming in, and he's getting all excited, and he's kicking the gate, he's pushing on the gate, he's kicking the gate. He knows. New paddock to go in. The little baby. I like moving the horses around and the animals. They get so excited about a new paddock. I want them to go in that paddock there. Oh, beautiful. Sometimes they just do what you ask. Yeah. I want them in that paddock. I want them to go to the top paddock. Oh, I've just realised something. Bottom gate's open and they go out in the street. Whoops, Michael. He'll come back because of her. Oh! No, I've got a problem. Now I have a problem. Jeez. She's going straight out the door. And she's going to end up on the street if I don't get there and lock it. Dear, oh dear. Oh. Thank you, Lord. Oh. She turned around and went back. I've got to close the gate. Turning off. I had to close the gate. Now they're back out of the paddock again. You get being not organised. They came in here and then I hadn't closed that gate, so they could have went on the street. The deer are going mental. They know I'm moving them. They're pretty intelligent that way. And they're going mental, running around the yard. They know it's on the cards. Here comes the horses again. Oh, no, he's going around he's running around the paddock. They love new paddocks. They don't want to be bored, do they? I love my little bridge. Now I'm assuming, because I'm going to go down in here, block this way off, there's only, oh jeez. No, they're coming down this way now. I've got to try and force them. No, they're sitting up there waiting now. I'm not getting what I want. They're out thinking me. Oh no, Stallion's getting stirred up. He's running again. If he goes out through that gate, we're good. Now she'll follow now. Yes! With the little pony. So that was good. What I'll do is go on to the next paddock now. Just look at the deer running around. They're so pumped up. Now this is coming up well. This is where my driveway was from the gate. Come down through here, go up there, or go down there. Down there or up there. Now, a little bit sparse here, but I keep putting manure down, keep putting stuff on top, bit of soil, not much. Much as I can cover it. I'm hoping it'll get heavy. Alright, I'll go on to the next paddock and open them up. Alright, my babies. Daddy's coming. Oh, see, they're waiting. They're a bit puffed, so I can look at their mouths. They've been running. Oh, look at them! Look at them panting. They've been running so much. They know what's on. Come on. Now he'll come and he'll go slow and then he'll run. He's so predictable. Even though other animals have been living in here, there's more of them, so they eat the grass down more. There's plenty of clover in there growing now and plenty of other grasses. Not as many as I like. I've put about 30 different species. Not all of them come up because, you know, but they reckon diversity in the grass actually helps the grass improve. All right. Now they're checking out their paddock. I think they wore themselves out. They just come around half speed. Oh, here comes the buck at the back, Dasher. Even though he wants to run in the herd, see how Big Red just turned on him? That's Rudolph. He just doesn't like the competition. Normally there's no problem when there's a lot of them and there's more room. Because they're confined a little bit compared to nature and that, he's a little pushy, the old Rudolph. Dasher used to be the one that was pushy, but he found, the other one found, I think his testicles dropped. He became more masculine and he doesn't like the competition. But anyway, it's all good. They're all loving it. A couple of wear spots here where the horses roll. They all love to roll but at dust baths. All right. I've got to let the horses into this paddock. The reason being, see how the horses are eating the short grass? Horses love to eat short grass, and that's where I'm trying to grow it. The shortest grass in that bottom paddock is the road, and I'm trying to get it established. So horses are no good in there. I can put donkeys, I can put deer, I can put ostrich, but horses, no, they love it short. The rest of them prefer it long. So I've got an issue, and I've got to move them out up to here. Now hopefully I'll open this gate and this will entice them to go into a new paddock. But yes, rather painful. Let's see what happens when I open the gate, if they notice it. If they don't, I'll have to push them. Come on! Come on! Come on! Roxy, Raz! Roxy, Raz! Nah, I have to push him. Oh, I'm growing a little bit of, what do you call it, Lucentry or Tallahassee, I think. Hopefully it'll go. I had to put wire on the top because they leaned over and pulled them out, didn't they? The idea is when it's grown up full size, they'll only be able to eat so much of it. And so the actual plant base of the tree will be safe. It's like a lucent tree. They can eat it all the time. And it's more of a shrubby type of tree, and like a bottle brush or a grevillea. And while they're young, they're very, delicate. So hopefully that will, once they get to full size, I can pull the cover off the top. Anyway, I had a little hole there and they put the head through, pulled them out. Fun and games. Anyway, I'll see how we go here. Just see how we go. Let's see if I'll do the camera on the first push, and if it's no fun I'll have to yeah, see how they are on the road. Painful, painful, painful. But I've got a lot of other grasses coming up in here. Just a bit of a notice that here I've got quite a bit of different variety now. Plantain, chicory, a lot of clovers, lucins. You got a move for me? Oh, you're doing a little piddle. Come on, up you go. Go on. Now, they sometimes go straight up. Sometimes they keep going round to this corner. And we will see. Oh, might be in luck, everyone. Might be in luck. Yes. Yes. Things are going my way for a change. And as long as he doesn't run back in again. Wonderful. All right. So that's worked out. No. No. Shh. Shh. No, he's run back out. But if I'm here, she won't, but he will. No. Shh. She's very of a nervous Nelly. He's upset the apple cart, but he doesn't care. He's not even scared about me. So he will, when he decides to come in, there she's trying. She wants to go. Come on, Rose. Come on. He does everything that he wants to do. Yeah, she's up the hill now, and he's running 100 miles an hour. Yep, he has to be with her. Oh, there you go, done. Bit of patience. I knew you'd go back to her, wouldn't you? Okay. They're good in there. Anyway, hope you liked it. Catch you next time. Oh, ring that notification bell, make a comment, whatever. I'm here. Catch you next time.